I'm Sabrina and I'm part of Lenovo's Global Future Leaders program, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through our trip to Beijing for our building collaboration workshop. So let's get started.
It's day one of training.
Here we are up bright and early to get on the bus to campus. Look at us, we're just like so happy and ready for the day. It took us about 15 to 20 minutes to get there, and once we got there we were all speechless because it is so beautiful. So cue Axel's reaction to the rock climbing wall now.
Oh, I want to do this. I want to do this.
So since it was a lot of our first times visiting, we were able to walk around the building in the morning before training got started, and we got to mingle with each other because it was also a lot of our first times meeting each other.
All of you know who I am by now. My name is Joe. I'm glad that we are actually here in Beijing in our brand new Lenovo Global Learning Center.
Here we are with Jimbo Clark, who was our facilitator for the first day of training.
All of us said we have a vision of the future, and we all have a way we want to get that done that's on brand for us.
We then started our workshop where we were able to focus on our unique qualities and values. After lunch, we discussed how our qualities come together to make greater impact. Then it was time for our group dinner, where we were able to try some traditional Chinese dishes.
Okay guys, it's day 2 and it's super rainy outside, and we just had to basically fight with the rain to get in here.
Today was all about AI, so we learned a lot about research and development, and we had a panel of executive leaders hosted by our very own Geo. The next day, we were road tripping it to Tianjin, where we were able to visit Lenovo's Future Center and also learn about smart manufacturing. When we arrived at the site, we were able to view a 3D model of the entire location, and then we were off to our tour of the Lenovo Museum, where we were able to learn more about Lenovo's history and global impact. Here we have Ren, who's really excited to be here. We also got to experience some visual effects powered by Lenovo technology, which was really cool. And then we were able to explore more of the exhibits, learning more about the data centers and servers. I thought this was really cool because I love like a really cool unveiling.
Today is our last day of sightseeing. We're going to the Forbidden City Temple of Heaven.
So now I'm going to hand it over to some of my fellow Global Future Leaders to share what they love the most about this trip.
It's been good. I started there for the first time, but it's been an experience of a lifetime. Met some wonderful people.
A special shout out to Joe and Lee for coordinating and putting everything together. This was truly a life-changing trip for all of us, and it made me so unbelievably proud and grateful to be a Lenovo Global Future Leader.
Lenovo